Happy October, happy fall. Young Living is doing something amazing for the month of October. So of course, I would feel really horrible if I didn't tell you about it. It's really, really important. It's really, really awesome. So today's little tidbit for you is all about free shipping on new members grabbing a premium starter kit. This is awesome because everybody loves free shipping, right? This is the season, the fall season, going into the holidays when everybody starts getting sick. So please do yourself a favor and stay healthy this year. You do that by starting with a premium starter kit from Young Living. This has been a game changer for us in our household. It has been over 5 years that we have been using Young Living oils in our home, and I am so completely grateful, and we are beyond blessed by Young Living. But just the wellness that has come from having oils in our house is phenomenal, you guys. It is what we turn to when we're not starting to feel good, when things don't feel right, when our imbalance is shifting. We know to go to this. So I'm going to walk you through the premium starter kit because you've probably seen my stories over the past couple days. This is a really good opportunity to grab it, but sometimes it's nice to see what it looks like. So this is, you're going to get a big box, right? And you're going to get to choose your choice of diffuser too. We'll go through those in a minute, but first let's go through the oils really quickly. You're going to open it up, and inside are your oils. You are going to get 12 oils. You are going to get lemon, citrus fresh, digize, thieves, peppermint, panaway, which is like a massage in a bottle for your, because everybody has muscles and joints, right? Raven, this is great for breathing, anybody who has lungs. This is peace and calming. This is frankincense for skin, lavender, which is the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. You are getting my personal cannot live without valor. And of course, everybody needs stress away because we all have a need to take the stress away. You'll notice that all of these oils are named appropriately, right? So just go by their name. In our education group, we have an Essential Oils 101 class. So if you would like more information on what each of the oils do and how you use them, please let me know and I can add you to that group and you can learn all that there is to learn. The great thing about when you get a premium starter kit is you get our community, you get us, you get me, you get my team, you get all of our members, and we get to help teach you all that you need to know to live a vibrant life with essential oils. You are also going to get in the kit, you're going to get a hand purifier, we can call them hand sanitizer now, and you're also going to get a Thieves spray. So this Thieves spray is like on-the-go cleaning. Thieves is our blend that is in all of our household products for Young Living, but it's also an essential oil blend that helps balance your immune system. So that's what's going to keep you well this fall and holiday season, okay? So you're going to get a sample of each of those, which you're going to put this in your bag or keep this with you. This is an amazing product, you guys. It is not drying. There's no there's like not that funky alcohol smell. It doesn't get sticky. It feels really great. It actually moisturizes your hands, so it's really awesome. A little tip on the Thieves spray, you spray it on the outside and the inside of your pumpkins when you're carving pumpkins. Keeps them so much longer than if you were just to carve them. You are also going to get 2 packets of Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is our antioxidant wellness support drink. I recommend drinking an ounce of this a day. Some people like to drink 2 ounces. It just kind of depends on what your wellness needs need balancing. So these are phenomenal. You're going to throw them in the fridge as soon as you get them, and they're best enjoyed chilled. You're also going to get 2 of our steel roller fitments, which is great because then you can just pop the top off of one of the oil bottles and set this little guy on top of there, and now you've got an instant roll-on, right? So that's great for stress away. It's great for using some of your empty bottles to make additional blends or mixtures. Once you go through one of your bottles, keep them, reuse them, and that's a great use for that. So let's get to the diffuser really quickly. So you get to choose your diffuser when you order your kit. The first 2 options are, this is the Desert Mist and this is the Dewdrop. So each of them have their different benefits. Personally, this is my favorite. I love the color. I love this is in candle flicker mode right now. So you can change through the colors. There's different color settings. It's kind of bright in here right now, so it's hard to see, but that goes through all the different color settings. And that's off. And then also you have different volume of mist settings too. So you're gonna hit it 3 times, cycle through. This is on, full steam. This is low steam. And then the third one is intermittent. It's gonna go on and off every 30 seconds. And that will last up to 10 to 12 hours in your room. So that's a really great thing to do. And then turning it off one more time. Super easy to use, super easy to fill. You just take the top off, and inside is another piece there. You take that top off, you fill it with water up to the line, add your oils, and you're good to go. The amazing thing about Young Living diffusers is they are medical grade. So they are not, the plastic in it is not going to react with the essential oils, which is really, really important. The diffusers that you buy at the store are not made of these components. So it's really important to be choosy with your oils and choosy with your diffusers. So this is also the Rainstone diffuser, another option you can choose. And then there's a fourth one, which is called the Aria diffuser. I don't have that one here today, so I can't show it to you. But there is a video in our group of Amy doing a great video with the Aria diffuser. So if you're interested in that, seeing what it looks like, you can pop into the group and check it out for yourself. I'm going to tell you a little bit of a hidden insider tip about Young Living and getting a premium starter kit. So it is the best bang for your buck. It is 50% off of retail. So you are getting the essential oils kit for $165. It is half price, which is an incredible value. It gives you a wholesale membership, so you can order essential oils from Young Living anytime you want at a wholesale price. So that's the one perk. It's also a lifetime membership, so you have it for always. Consider it like a Costco membership though. So because you are not required to ever sell anything, you are not required to ever buy again if you don't want to. So there is no risk involved in getting a Young Living Premium Starter Kit, which is your wholesale membership, right? And that is the only way that you can get a wholesale membership, is to get a kit. Now, here is the secret. When you order your Premium Starter Kit, there gives you an option to enroll in Essential Rewards. Essential Rewards is Young Living's amazing wellness program. So monthly orders, right? But you get to choose the products that go in it, and you get to choose the date that it processes on. So you are in complete control of that. So here's your insider tip. You sign up to get your kit. It's going to ask you, would you like to enroll in Essential Rewards? You're going to say yes. And your kit is going to become your first Essential Rewards purchase. Now, for the month of October at 100 PV, for people on Essential Rewards, you're getting a free nutmeg. That's amazing. So you're getting a free product on top of free shipping, right? Free shipping. And because of that, you're going to get $10 back into your account for a future quick order. So free shipping, free nutmeg, free $10 to spend on a new product. Win-win. So now you're going to put together your next month's order. I'm going to highly suggest that you get a bottle of the Thieves Household Cleaner, a bottle of the Thieves Dish Soap, maybe a couple other essential oils. Like a staple in our house is cedarwood, helping for sleep, helping for mental clarity, helping for focus, helping for just to calm the mind. Also really great to use on the scalp as well. Or another seasonal favorite that I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys is Christmas Spirit. This will make your home smell delicious, okay? Absolutely delicious. And it has such an amazing frequency in it that it just naturally makes your home and everybody that comes in it feel happy and filled with Christmas spirit. You can diffuse it any time of the year, but it becomes more popular around the holidays. Another one of my personal favorites is Northern Lights Black Spruce. NLBS has is distilled in the northern under the aurora borealis, so it absorbs, the trees absorb the frequency of that, which to me this is one of my most favorite oils. Kind of a close second to Valor. So if you know me and you know how that is. So you're gonna build your second month on Essential Rewards. That's already a go. You're gonna choose the date. You're gonna choose when it processes, and then you're already set. You're gonna check out, easy breezy. So free shipping, right? Free nutmeg, and then it gets better. I personally, when you enroll with the Premium Starter Kit, I always give my new members a welcome pack. It has an amber glass bottle and a sample of the Thieves Cleaner, okay? Because this stuff is amazing, you guys. The best household cleaner there is, seriously. But for the month of October, so the rest of this month, I am going to give you a free Thieves hand soap because the Thieves line is incredible. The holiday catalog was just released, and in the holiday catalog was a Christmas Spirit foaming hand soap. So you get to choose. Do you want the Christmas Spirit or do you want the Thieves hand soap? So this is my gift to you for getting a Premium Starter Kit in the month of October. So free shipping, free nutmeg, $10 back to use on future products, a free hand soap. Are you ready? Doesn't this sound like a great thing? Let me know. I'm here for you, we're here for you, and be well this holiday season. Keep your family supported on their wellness with natural products that are going to keep them healthy, keeping their frequency up, keeping them feeling great. You deserve it to yourself for the self-care that comes with investing in this kit. Have an awesome day.